Good morning. This is Phong from San Diego, California. I'm at my backyard right now, and there's a new family surprise us just move into our backyard, and it's a bird nest from the Dove. Make a bird nest right on top of my dragon fruit tree, and she is on the nest 24 hours. And 3 weeks ago it was just an egg. Now 2 eggs they hatch, and 2 little baby came out. I saw last night, and this is very exciting, pretty enjoyable news beginning of the year. So let's check out the babies. It's so cute. And she just stands still, she's still not moving until I'm getting too close to her to protect her her youngs. She's very rich, very beautiful bird. Look, see, I'm getting real close to her, but she's not moving. Hello, how are you? Hello. Let me shake hands. Can we shake hands? See? She stays as long as she can protect her young. That's the mothers does to their children. Wow, I'm getting so close to her. I can touch her now. Wow, she's not even moving. Come on, baby. See, she just stand right there. And but now let's check out the babies. Hello. Hello, babies. How are you? Oh my God, it's getting so big. Whoa. Big saw. Baby, you hungry? You want some peanut butter or strawberry jams? It's still sleeping. Wow, so cute. And it's gonna rain today, so I put up the umbrella last night so it can protect the young today. And that's it. We have a new family from our backyard, and this is the 3rd time that we had the bird nest. Last year was a hummingbird. This year is bigger bird. It's a dove. All right, happy New Year, everybody. Bye.